For making an electromagnet, we need a battery, a screw, a pin and copper wire. Now we take the screw and the copper wire and wrap the copper wire around the screw. Now we take the battery and attach the copper wire to the terminals of the battery. Now we take the safety pin to check whether it became an electromagnet. And yes, it became an electromagnet. This is how to make an electromagnet. We are gonna make China rose indicator. Take 2 China rose flowers and remove their petals. Put the petals in a bowl and add some warm water to it. Keep it for some time till the water gets light pink color. Now filter and remove the petals. You will get China rose indicator. Now take 2 transparent glass and pour China rose indicator. Now add vinegar to China rose indicator. It turns magenta, which means vinegar is acidic in nature. In the other glass, add baking soda to China rose indicator. It turns green in color, which means baking soda is basic in nature. China rose indicator is used for testing acids and bases. Today we'll see the reaction between copper sulphate and iron nail. Take 2 transparent glass, copper sulphate powder and an iron nail. Dissolve copper sulphate to about a cup of water. And stir it well. You will get blue colored copper sulphate solution. Take an iron nail and place it in a glass containing copper sulphate solution and keep it for a few hours. This is due to the formation of iron sulphate. We can see the brown deposit on the iron main, which is copper. So when copper sulphate react with iron, we get iron sulphate and copper. We are gonna make turmeric indicator. Take 2 transparent glass. Take teaspoon of turmeric powder and add some water to it. You will get a turmeric solution. Now add vinegar to it, which is acidic in nature. The color will not change. Now add baking soda to turmeric solution. The color changes to red. Baking soda is basic in nature. Bases turn yellow turmeric solution to red.